Can you believe that just typing a word into a simple box will earn you a lot of money? Simply typing a single word is a simple thing, an easy method, right? Well, that is what we will focus on in today's video. With this method of making money, especially in this video, you may get paid and make tons of money without having to work hard. And it's all done by typing, which I'm sure many of you can accomplish easily and are already familiar with. I'm confident that every single one of you watching right now can accomplish it, as it's ideal for beginners trying to make quick money online. Take note that this method is assured to be free, so you won't have to invest anything. And the best part is that it's available everywhere. Just remember what I always say on this channel. Don't skip any portions of this video and stick around to the finish, because I'll not only show you our main website, but I'll also share with you a bonus website that will help you improve your earnings even more. So, what are we waiting for? If you're ready and eager to master this method, let's get this video started.
Before we continue, I would like to welcome everyone to Wealth Maker Girl. In this channel, I will show and teach you all the different ways to make a lot of money online in as simple and as fast as possible. And I make sure that every minute you spend on this channel will be worth your time and effort. So if you are looking for that type of content, then make sure to click the subscribe button down below and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. And if you enjoyed what you are watching, then consider clicking the thumbs up button also. Now let's proceed to this video.
Hi there! Welcome to the Wealth Maker Girl channel. As I always say, it's wonderful to see you. And as I mentioned earlier, for this video, you will get paid through typing. So if you are someone who is already good at it and has the skills and experience to back it up, then you came to the right video. And don't worry, for those out there that do not have any skills or experience, well, you have nothing to worry about, as this is very easy to do, and I assure you that you can still succeed in this method. With that said, let's get onto this video. And just like that, we are now at the primary platform that we will use. And as you can see, it states right here, the easiest way to make awesome videos. So this is the first website where you can do and make easy films with only one word. So you can write in one word, and this website will make professional high-quality videos for you. And I'll show you how you can get paid $25 to $30 per video you make. You don't need to be a professional editor to do this, so don't be concerned. This does not require any editing skills. You will not require a camera, nor will you be required to video anything or reveal your identity. You only need to type one word, which you may repeat as many times as you like. And I'll teach you pretty much how it works and to get paid. Pick your favorite video template, completely customize it online, and watch them quickly generate your video so you don't have to waste time reading. It couldn't get any easier than this. It's only one word, and you can use it again and again. So you might be wondering, what is the name of this website? This website is known as MotionDen, which can be found at motionden.com. If you follow every step in this video, you would fully understand what to do to generate money by the end. So, first and foremost, on the homepage, I want you to click the Get Started button here to sign up. You can also do this by connecting your Facebook or Google account. If you don't want to do that, you may just join up with your email address and enter your personal information. I also suggest that you use this box if you don't want to be added to their email list, which can be very boring at times. After creating an account on this website, you will be brought to this homepage. You'll be able to explore each of these different video templates that you can use to make professional-looking videos under 60 seconds with just one single word. Now I want you to click the Create button on the top of the page, and as you can see, there are a lot of categories that you can produce. you can create advertising, business, Instagram ads, Instagram stories, Minecraft, music, YouTube intro, outro, and more. And you have a variety of templates to choose from, all of which are really professional, 3D high-quality templates that are simple to utilize, and I'll show you how. There is a specific service that we will be concentrating on right now that will allow you to earn more than $30 for typing a single word. So I want you to concentrate on either the intros or the outros. For now, disregard all of these different categories. You only need to concentrate on intros and outros since they are the simplest method and it will enable you to earn $30 or more for a single word. So now, let us select intro templates and it will provide you with a few to use. Let's take a look around and see what we can come up with. I'll use this template as an example to demonstrate how this works. So I'll click on that and then I'll select on edit this video to personalize it. When you get to this page, what I have to do is click on this box and then I can enter in that one word. Then I'll show you what happens once I enter that one word. Let's check the term finance in this example. Then hit save, then make a video, and that's all. Now it will quickly create that video for me, and I'll teach you how to sell those types of films for more than $30 over and over again, as well as proof that it works since users are already earning money with the same method every day.
Love what you are watching? If you do, then smash the like button below to show your support for this channel. Also, down in the comments below, comment what type of device you are using, either on iOS or on Android, so I can make sure that all of the strategies I will share with you are available for whatever device you have. Now let's head straight back to the video.
And we're back. So if we go back to the dashboard, you'll notice that the video is now producing. All I have to do now is wait a few seconds and they'll have it ready for me. As you can see, typing only one word into the box was all it needed. And now I have a ready-made, high-quality intro through whom I may profit. So let's go back to templates and choose another template. You may go to intros or outros, but let's start with intros. After you've found a template you like, such as this one, simply open it and select edit this video, which will take you to the editing page. You also can add a logo if you want to, but if you don't, just go to the text page, click the text box, type in the word, save, and make video. And that's basically it. Then you can earn profits from a different platform that I'm about to share with you. To begin, you can use Quicken Gigs, which is a platform comparable to Fiverr.com. This site is a freelancing site where lots of ordinary people come to sell their services every day. Regular people provide various services to other business owners. They work with some major firms such as PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, and Unity, as you can see. And this is just one of many various freelancing websites you can utilize. However, the purpose I'm offering Quicken Gigs instead of Fiverr is because it's less competitive. There are hundreds of huge numbers of people doing the same things on Fiverr, but there aren't as many people doing them here, and demand is high. There are many buyers here, but there are few sellers, making it ideal for total beginners. You can join this website right away and possibly make a lot of money without being a professional seller. If you look up intros and outros on this page, you'll see that people offer these services. There aren't many people that need this service, but those who do, intros and outros, already are earning money. And you'll be able to sell it on Quicken Gigs with just a single word type in with motion done. This is a platform where you can sell intros and outros and offer this service. You can also use services such as persons per hour, where you may type an intro to find additional people who provide this service. That's a total of more than 100 results. And if they are selling, they are trying to sell in the hundreds, if not thousands. If you want to get the best results, you can even use Fiverr. It will charge you nothing to promote that offer, and if you make any sales, amazing. If not, fine. You can even use other freelancing websites. So Fiverr has a lot of potential. You can see that people are selling those kinds of services for more money, like $35 and $45 per hour, and they're getting a lot of sales. So, instead of focusing on one freelancing website, I strongly advise you to try all of them. When you get an offer, you request what word they want an intro with, type it in this box, save it, select make video, and then click continue to dashboard. To get it without the watermark, select the download button and select the one without the watermark, and as you can see, you'd have to pay $39 monthly. But if you offer it for more than $35, you'll definitely make a lot of money, and you won't have to put any money in advance. You can save $39 by waiting until you make a sale on one of those freelancing websites. So, for $39, you get a video done in less than 60 seconds to start making over $30. And you can do it all over again. When you start making more sales, and it seems that you're already making a decent amount of monthly income, you can just invest $39 a month for this unlimited plan. That also allows you to sell a lot of videos. So you could potentially sell 100 videos per month for $39 on MotionDen to do most of the work for you. So you can surely use MotionDen and its templates to create great films just by typing one word in the box, and then offer that service on other freelancing websites out there. And that's it! You now have just found another easy and unique way of earning easy, passive, and unlimited income. Nice!
And that concludes today's video. If you enjoyed and learned from this video, then consider smashing the like button down below and make sure to turn on the notification bell to be updated on all my future uploads. Just look out for my next strategy to make a lot of wealth with Wealth Maker Girl. That's it for me, guys. See you on the next one.